How many times have you said, from tomorrow, I'll stop wasting time and finally do things right? You picture it clearly, waking up early, studying for hours, exercising, maybe even having a healthy breakfast. But then morning comes and you're still in bed, scrolling through your phone, telling yourself just 5 more minutes. And before you realize it, the day is gone. It's not that you're lazy. You're just stuck in a cycle, trying to be productive, then burning out, then starting over again. But what if your day was designed to work with you, not against you?
Hi, I'm Mr. Mindsider, your friendly companion on this journey of growth.
In this video, I'll show you a simple, realistic daily routine that helps you stay focused, energized, and still have time for yourself. No extreme schedules, no fake productivity. Just a system that actually fits real student life. Step 1. Why having a routine matters. Think about an athlete. They don't train all day, every day. They rest, recover, and plan their next move, because that's how they stay strong for the long run. Your mind works the same way. Without proper rest, energy, and structure, it burns out. Most students don't fail because they're not smart. They fail because their days have no rhythm, no system to keep them steady. Some push too hard and burn out. Others do too little and fall behind. That's why a balanced routine matters. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Step 2. Win the morning. Let's be real. Most students either sleep through their alarms or hit snooze 5 times before rolling out of bed. But here's the truth. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. to be productive. Waking up between 5:30 and 7 a.m. is enough. That's when the world is quiet. No messages, no noise, just peace. And whatever you do, don't start your day with your phone. The moment you open social media, you fill your brain with other people's lives before you've even started your own. Instead, do this. Get out of bed, stretch, drink a glass of water, open your window, and let in natural light. That simple light signal tells your brain it's time to wake up. Then, move your body for just 5 minutes. Stretch, do a few push-ups, yoga, or walk around your room. You're not training for the Olympics, you're just waking up your system. After that, eat something light but filling. Oats, eggs, fruit, or toast. Your brain runs on fuel, and breakfast is the charger. Once you're ready, use that quiet morning time for your hardest subject, because your brain is sharpest right after you wake up. 1 focused hour now is worth 3 tired hours at night. Step 3, master the afternoon. By the afternoon, your energy starts to dip. Classes, assignments, and lectures can feel endless. But this is where most students lose focus. Here's how to stay sharp. First, be an active learner. Don't just copy notes word for word. Write things in your own style. Ask small questions. Summarize what you just learned. Even for 2 minutes, this tiny habit doubles your understanding later. When it's time for lunch, keep it light. Avoid heavy or oily food. It'll make you sleepy. Go for something balanced. A bit of protein, some veggies, maybe fruit, and water. After that, take a short power break, a 15-minute nap, or a quick walk outside. Think of it as pressing the reset button for your brain. Then, use your afternoon for practice, not theory. Solve problems, write essays, revise flashcards, things that keep you active but don't drain your focus. Save deep, heavy study for later when your mind resets again. Step 4, recharge the evening. After a full day of studying, your body feels heavy and your brain feels foggy. That's exactly why the evening is perfect for movement. You don't need the gym, just move your body. Play a sport, go for a walk, stretch, dance, anything. It's not about building muscle, it's about releasing the stress you've built up all day. Even 20 minutes of movement boosts your mood, clears your head, and helps you sleep better. Then switch gears and do something creative. Draw, write, play music, or work on a personal project. Creativity resets your mind. It reminds you that life isn't all about grades or deadlines. Once your energy settles, spend a short time on light revision. Review your notes, solve a few easy questions, and plan what you'll do tomorrow. Step 5, reset the night. Before you go to bed, take 5 minutes to plan tomorrow. Write down 3 to 5 specific tasks, not vague goals like study, but clear ones, like finish chapter 3 or solve 10 math problems. This tiny step clears your mind so you can sleep without worrying about what's next. Then try a digital sunset. No screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Phones and laptops trick your brain into thinking it's still daytime. That's why you keep scrolling even when you're exhausted. Instead, read something light, listen to calm music, or write in a journal. Let your mind slow down naturally. And finally, sleep. Don't trade it for extra study time. Sleep is when your brain organizes everything you learned. Skipping it is like studying all day, but never hitting save. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. That's where real productivity begins. Step 6. Strengthen your mindset. Here's something most students forget. A perfect routine means nothing without the right mindset. Stop comparing how many hours you study to someone else online. It's not about doing more, it's about doing better. 4 focused hours every day will beat 12 distracted ones every single time. Everyone slips. The secret is to restart. Not next week, not next month, tomorrow. Because real progress doesn't come from massive effort once in a while. It comes from small, consistent steps that you repeat every day. So here's your takeaway. Morning is for focus. Afternoon is for practice. Evening is for movement and creativity. Night is for rest and recharge. Follow this for 30 days and you'll see the change. Less stress, more focus, and a life that finally feels in balance. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Remember, discipline today becomes freedom tomorrow.